Today I want to show you that changing a wheelbarrow tire is very easy. If you want to go in, you can go in, Aka. Alright, so yeah, I just asked Aka to adjust because I'm not getting up, going up, checking the camera, this and that. I'm just too tired. It's been a long day, okay, and it's only 12:30. It's been a long day. Alright, so earlier the video that I'm showing you right now is I'm taking out the old tire. Alright, old tire, I just took out from the clip. This is easy, just pull out and it comes out. Alright, and also now I'm showing you that the tire has cracks. Okay, so it's punctured. The first reason it's punctured is because I haven't used it in a long time. Second thing is that the sidewall has cracked. Okay, if like a nail goes in or what, that's okay, we can tampal it. However, here the tire has cracked, so that is causing the leakages lah. Slowly it will seep out lah. So every time I want to use it, I have to pump it. And the last time I pumped it like cow. By the time I reach home, because I put it on my Hilux, I went to the petrol station, pumped the tire and came back. That's like less than a minute drive, you know, less than a minute drive. Petrol station is very near for driving. Walking is a bit far lah, but driving. By the time I reach home, it was flat ready, guys. So that's why I decided like, cannot, I have to change. This morning I went to the hardware store, which is... Alright, we just got our tire. This is the old one, this is the new one. So the new one, it's solid rubber, no need pump air. It's got red rim now. So yeah, from the local hardware store, in Old Klang Road. Let's go. Yeah, so it only cost 28 ringgit, guys. I don't buy these tires like every day and all the time. It's not a thing that it's not a common purchase, guys. So I don't know whether it is expensive or not, but I feel for 28 ringgit for me, like, you know, I'm using household usage, it's okay, affordable. It's not too expensive. Alright, and this one is a full tire. It's full rubber, no air. I don't need to pump. So you can see there's no air valve for me to pump in tire. So it's just full rubber. Okay, the good thing about this is that it will tahan lah. You don't need to pump lah. You can just keep, then use it and all that, heavy duty and all that. Okay, but the problem is it's a hard full rubber. So it's like, at least this with the air, you reduce air a bit. There's like a bit of suspension. It will soften the blow a bit lah. You know, it won't be too stiff kind of thing when you try and push things. This one is going to be a bit tough if I'm not mistaken lah. Okay, so and also I did a mistake earlier, which is when I took out this tire, I didn't see which way it's supposed to go. Okay, yeah, it doesn't really have a proper way for it to go. So for car tires, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, car tires, okay, if the car is facing you, right, okay, the tire on each side, right, the pointing end should be facing the front. So the V part, it goes like this. So the V, it touches the water and then it pushes out through the side duct. Okay, something like that lah. Okay, but that's a car lah. You're going fast lah. This is a wheelbarrow. You're going through mud and dirt and grime and whatever not. So I don't think that's a certain way. But yeah, I think that, yeah, anyway, so can lah. If there's a problem or you know exactly which way am I supposed to fix it, do let me know in the comments. But other than that, I'm just main letak aje lah, bro. And also, I also did a mistake earlier, which now I just realized, is that I don't need to take out both sides. I can just take out one side, push the thing across, put it here. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, thank God. Because if it was like this ngam lah, guys. Yeah. This one is a bit in. This one is a bit jetting out. But I think should be okay. Now let's put this thing back. Make sure you put a washer so that you have a proper grip. And then put your clip back. Because you don't put the clip and then you have a heavy thing and then you start pushing and then after that thing comes out and till babas, and of course not again, you're not going high speed, so no real thing. But then if the tire comes off or whatever heavy things you're carrying is just spill everywhere, and if you're doing wheelbarrow work, that means you are really tired. So yeah, whenever the wheelbarrow is being used, it's never an easy job, guys. It's always a tough, difficult, tiring job. So yeah, let's just make sure everything is set properly. Okay, guys. Okay, it works. It's a bit wobbly, but I think it shouldn't be a problem, right? This tire, I am going to keep it. I don't know whether I can use it for parts or spare part or whatever, but I'm just going to keep it just because a bit of order, and also I think Manas want to figure out where to throw it. Yes, it's tiring work, guys. Let's check it out. And you don't even need a plier, okay? This one, and also this one is not like rusted or anything. Like, is this hand use? You can pull out. You don't need to use a plier. All right, let's take it for a spin. Okay, like, feels comfortable, feels good. As you can see that I did the jump, right? It's a bit hard on the landing, but yeah, that's okay. That is about it. Here's Blackie. Call her sleeping. Alright, that is all. Ciao!